Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. Today we will do the question answers from exercise 6C. This is the product of multiplication of a monomial with a binomial children. In the previous class we have started the questions. Okay, so now today we will start it from question number 12. Question number 12 we will take and let's see how we can multiply a monomial having single term with binomial having two terms. Okay, see this. Question number 12. 9t square. Question number 12. 9t square. What is t children? T is the variable. 9t square in a bracket t plus 7t cube. In a bracket t plus 7t cube. It's very important children and very good exercise for you. Now what we will do, this is a monomial 9t square. Why we are calling it as a monomial? Because having the single term. And t plus 7t, one term is this, another term is this, having two terms, an algebraic expression having two terms. This binomial having two terms is multiplying with 9t square. So how we will multiply? Children, let's see. We will take the monomial which is outside the bracket and we will multiply it with the first term. We will multiply it with the first term with the same sign. जो भी sign होगा वही लेके आप multiply करेंगे. So write down 9t square. It is multiplying it with first term, that is t. Bracket के अंदर का first term. Now what is the sign here? Sign is plus. So put plus sign. Now this 9t square will again multiply with the second term. So 9t square into 7t to the power 3. In this way you have to multiply. पहले term को लेंगे और monomial को लेंगे और bracket के अंदर के पहले term से multiply करेंगे. This we will get. Then put the sign, whatever the sign is there, put it here, and then again this monomial will multiply with the second term. Okay. So now let's start. We know it how to multiply a monomial with a monomial. अब ये एक monomial है और ये एक monomial है, इसको multiply करना है. So you know 9 into 1, no number means 1. 9 into 1, 9 into t square into t. T square into t children. Variable is same. What will happen? 9 into 7. Okay, collect the numbers side by side and now collect the variable t square into t cube. T square into t cube. When you will go in higher classes, you will do it directly. But for class 7, do it step by step. In this way, you will never do mistake, children. No need to be in hurry. Okay. Now 9 t square into t means the variables are same and we are multiplying them. T same variable and we are multiplying them. So their power will be added. T to the power 3 plus 9 sevens are 7 9s are 63. Okay. So this is 63 t square and t to the power 3. T variable is again same and we are multiplying. So their power will be added. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now, can we add these two? Can we add these two? Addition sign is there. But can we add these two children? No, we can't add. Because it is having the same variable but not having the same power. Power same nahi hai beta. Variable is there. T. But the power of the variable is not equal. So we cannot add them. हम इनको add नहीं कर सकते. 9 plus 63 को हम नहीं add कर सकते. Different. They are unlike terms. So the answer is this much only. This will result to this much. जब हम multiply करेंगे तो हमको ये मिलेगा. ठीक है? Now see the next question. Next question is question number 13 or 14. Both were same. I am taking 14 children. Question number 14. Write down it. Write down question number 14. it is, let me take my book so that I will not write the wrong one. 1.5a, it is, children, 1.5a, it is outside the bracket, and in a bracket it is 10a square b minus 100ab square. 1.5a, 10a square b minus 100ab square. Yes, it is correct. Match it once before starting your question, that whether you have written the question correctly or not. So children, it is in decimal, no need to worry, no need to be in the position that how it can be solved. It's very easy. Take it, it's simple. It's a monomial, and this inside the bracket it is a binomial. Why binomial? Having two terms, one term and another term. Two terms are there. Now you know what you have to do. You will multiply this monomial with first term, 1.5a into 10a square b. Then again you will multiply this 1.5a with the second binomial. Put the sign. What is the sign? Minus. So we will put minus 1.5a into what? 100ab square. Okay, 100ab square. Now how you will solve this? You will multiply the number with number, 1.5 into 10, and multiply the variable with variable, a into a square, and b is alone. Then in here also multiply the number with number, 1.5 into 100, and then variable with variable, a into a and into b square, a into b square. Okay, let's multiply it, children. 1.5 into 10, 1.5 into 10 will become how much? When you will multiply this, you will get 15 into a to the power 3b, and when you will multiply 1.5 into 100, you will get 150. Okay, a to the power 2 and b square. How you will multiply, children? You know it. Multiply it and then put the decimal at the last. Okay, only one decimal place, so 1500, and only one decimal place, so 10 will be left, so 150. So, and now is it a like term? Can we subtract it, children? Can we subtract it? A to the power 3b, a to the power 2b square. Variables are same, but power is not matching, so they are unlike term and we cannot subtract them. So till here the question is solved. Now next is question number, see question number 16. Find the product of 2x square. Let me write down the question. Find the product of 24x square into 1 minus 2x and evaluate it for x is equal to 2. Okay, this we have done in the previous exercise also, but there we have multiplied the monomial with the monomial, and in this question we have to multiply monomial with the binomial. It is little bit different, first process, and then it will be same as the previous exercise, isn't it? Okay, now write down, children. Question number 16. 24x square 1 minus x, 1 minus 2x, 1 minus not x, 1 minus 2x, and 24x square is outside. Evaluate it for x is equal to 2. हमको इसको सॉल्व करना है. इवेल्युएट का मतलब सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है, यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू. सो नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू, you will first multiply the monomial, this monomial with this binomial having two terms. So 24 will multiply with 1, 24x square will multiply with 1 first. ठीक है, ये नहीं कि 1 है तो 1 ही आएगा, 24x square ही आएगा तो क्यों लिखे? No, you have to write down. Now minus sign. ठीक, then 24x square will multiply with the second term, 24x square into 2x. This is the expansion. इसको हमने expand कर दिया, एक तरह से open कर दिया. Now next 24 बन सा 24x square. Now 24 into 2. 24 into 2 is 48. 48 x square and x to the power 3. x to the power 3. And children, they are unlike term. ये क्या है? Unlike term है. क्यों? Because variables are there x, but their power are not same. Power is not same. Power same नहीं है. एक में x to the power 2 and another x to the power 3. So we cannot add and subtract them. हमें subtract करना है ना, but we cannot. Why? Because they are unlike term. इनकी वेरिएबल तो मैच कर रही है, बट उन वेरिएबल का पावर मैच नहीं कर रहा. सब कुछ वेरिएबल भी होना चाहिए और सेम पावर, देन ओनली वी कैन add and subtract. So now it's the answer is final. We can't do it further. Now we have to evaluate. Now what we will write? Substituting value of x is equal to 2. We get क्या हमको मिलेगा बेटा? 24. x की जगह क्या रखना है? 2. 24 x का स्क्वायर यानी 2. x की वैल्यू 2 रखेंगे बेटा, 2 to the power 2 माइनस 48 और फिर यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू क्या रखेंगे? 2 to the power 3. ठीक है, आंसर में नेगेटिव में आ रहा है. 24 2 का स्क्वायर इज 4 माइनस 48 2 का स्क्वायर इज 2 का क्यूब इज 8. 2 into 2 into 2. ठीक है, सो 4 4 जा 16, 4 2 जा 8 and 1 9, 96 माइनस 8 8 जा 64, 8 8 जा 64, 6 is left, 8 4 जा 32 plus 6 38. So now subtract it. 384 है आपका. 384 minus 96. So ये 4 is less. 4 is less children. So what you will do? You will take the value from here. So 14 minus 6 is 8. फिर यहाँ पे कम हो गया 7. 7 is less than 9. So फिर ये इससे कैरी लेगा. तो 9 और 7 ये फिर से 8 आएगा बेटा और यहाँ पे 2 रह जाएगा. 288. 288 will be the answer and it is in minus, negative, minus 288. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, first find the value and then substitute the value of, after finding the answer, substitute the value of x and evaluate. See the next question. Next question is children, question number 16 we have done. So now question number, let me see which question should I take. 17. Okay, 17 ले लेते हैं and then 19 because after that the different type of questions are there. So let me take 17. Okay, question number 17 I am writing. You also write down question number 17 first. Write down children. I hope you all are writing question number 17. Okay, let's see it. Question number 17. This we have to simplify first. We have to find the product because one monomial and one binomial is given, and then we will substitute the value of a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so ab when multiply with a square first and then plus sign, ab will multiply with b square. Okay, now a into a square, a into, no need to write it directly, a into a square into b plus a into b square. Now you can see same variable having different power or whatever power it is, you will add. 1 plus 2 is 3 into b plus a into b to the power 3. Now we will substitute the value of a and b because further we cannot simplify. Why we cannot simplify further? A cube b plus ab cube. Children, variables are same. A, b, variables are there, but their power is not matching. That's why it is unlike term. यहाँ पे a का power 3 है, यहाँ पे a है बेटा. Their power is not matching. Same case in b also. So they are unlike term. हम उनको add नहीं कर सकते. Now we will substitute the value. ये final answer है हमारा बेटा product के बाद. Now यहाँ पे लिखेंगे substituting the value. What you will write? substituting value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1/2, we get, हमें मिलेगा, हमें क्या मिलेगा, v a की वैल्यू 2 है बेटा, तो 2 क्यूब, a की पावर 3 है तो 2 to the power 3 इंटू b इज 1/2 प्लस a की वैल्यू है 2 इंटू 1/2 का पावर 3, ऐसे 2 to the power 3 और 2 है नीचे, ठीक है, तो ये कट जाएगा वैसे. लेट मी सॉल्व. 2 to the power 3 इज 8 बाय डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है आपका, ठीक है, प्लस 2 इंटू 1 का क्यूब इज 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 का क्यूब इज 8, ऐसे हुआ, ठीक है. नाउ आई थिंक इट इज विजिबल नाउ. ओके, नाउ 2 एंड दिस इट विल गेट कैंसिल आउट, दिस विल बिकम 4. क्या बचेगा यहाँ पे 4. आई एम राइटिंग हियर 4 प्लस 2 4s are 8, but no need to write 4. What? In numerator 1 and in denominator 4. So 1/4. यहाँ पे तो 2 4s are 8 कट गया ये न्यूमरेटर में, बट वहाँ पे 4 का है बेटा डिनोमिनेटर में. So you will write in this way. And now how you will solve? Cannot simplify. ऐसे 4 मत काट दीजिएगा. Many students used to do it. It is plus. It is not multiply that we can cut this. It is plus. So we have to take the LCM. Okay, 4 LCM आएगा. 4 4 जा 16 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से मैम कर रही है. 1 1 जा 1 upon 4 1 जा 4. 17/4. This is the final answer. 17/4. Okay. Next question, children. Question number 19. Children, I hope you all are writing question number 19. Find the product of, let's see the board work. Okay, question number 19, children. It is find the product of minus 3y xy plus y square when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Minus 3y xy plus y square. Children, it's very important question, because if you know how to solve such questions when the sign is in negative, then you are able to solve any question. Let's take the monomial and it will multiply with the first term of binomial. And children, take the sign. You have to take the sign with them only. This is minus 3y na? So minus 3y, it will multiply with xy. Okay, then what is the sign here? Plus. See the sign inside the bracket, sign is plus. Now plus. Now what we will take? We will again multiply the monomial with the second term. We will multiply this monomial with the second term, isn't it? So minus 3y will multiply with y square. Will multiply with y square. I am writing the negative in term, negative number value in the bracket. Okay. Now next, minus 3 into no number is there. So minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Y in x into y. So x into y, y ka power 2. You can write one more step also. That minus 3, then x, then y into y. Y into y. Then plus in a bracket, minus 3 into no number is there means 1. So minus 3 ones are minus 3 y into y to the power 2. Okay, I have multiplied the number with number and I have written the variable side by side. Now minus 3x y into y to the power 2 plus minus will become minus, children. Plus minus will become minus. If bracket before the bracket and after the bracket if signs are different, you will put minus. ठीक, और प्रोडक्ट याद कीजिए, ठीक है, क्या प्लस इंटू माइनस विल बिकम माइनस ऑलवेज. 3y into y square is y to the power 3. Power will be added. इसकी पावर 1 है, इसकी पावर 2 है, पावर विल बी एडेड. Now next step, can we add or subtract them? Come on, can we add or subtract them? नंबर तो सेम है, नंबर पे नहीं जाना है बेटा, नो नीड टू सी द नंबर, सी द वेरिएबल. इफ दे विल बी सेम देन ओनली वी कैन ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट. मल्टीप्लाई हम कैसे भी कर सकते हैं, डिवाइड भी हम कैसे भी कर सकते हैं. डिवाइड इज नॉट इन योर सिलेबस, बट वी कैन नॉट ऐड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट इन दिस वे. We can only add and subtract the values in which the variables are same with the same power. यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ पे तो x ही नहीं है बेटा, वेरिएबल ही नहीं मिसमैच हो गया, और y की पावर भी डिफरेंट है. ठीक. Now this is our final answer. We cannot add and subtract them. So now we will substitute the value. So substituting value of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. We will get क्या हमें मिलेगा, -3. x की जगह हम रखेंगे 4. In place of x we will write 4. In place of y we will write 5. 5 का power 2. Then -3. Then y, in place of y we will write 5. 5 to the power 3. Now children solve this. 5 5 जा 25 हो गया ये. ठीक है. और ये हो गया 3 4 जा 12 माइनस साइन के साथ, ये माइनस में आएगा. एंड देन -3 5 5 जा 25 25 5 जा 125. सो ये हो गया 125. 5 to the power 3 is 125. Now when you will solve this, 25 10 times is 250 हो गया. 2 times हमको और लेना है, यानी 50 हमको और लेना है. तो 25 12 is 300. कैसे किया मैम ने, देखो 25 10 टाइम्स ले जाइए पहले. ठीक है. 25 10 जा 250, फिर 2 बच रहा है बेटा, तो 25 2 जा 50 होता है. ऐड कर दीजिए दोनों को, वही 25 12 टाइम्स हो जाता है. तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा 300. हाउ मच 300? -300 एंड माइनस. नाउ 125 3 टाइम्स इज 5 3 जा 15. ये भी वैसे ही कर सकते हैं. 100 100 100 3 टाइम्स किया, 3 को 125 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो 100 100 100 3 टाइम्स तो जाएगा ही जाएगा, और 25 25 25 3 बार वो भी जाएगा. तो 375 वो क्या आएगा, 375. ठीक है. ये है these are the different logic of solving multiplication. आप instead of doing this 25 को 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करा रहे हैं ऐसे ऐसे करके, जस्ट यूज योर ब्रेन. 25 इंटू 10 टाइम्स लीजिए पहले, आपको 250 मिल गया तुरंत, आपको पता है. और 2 टाइम्स और जाएगा 25, क्योंकि 12 है ये, तो 2 टाइम्स इज 50. तो 250 प्लस 50 इज 300. ये हो गया. 125 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करेंगे, 125 है तो 100 100 100 3 टाइम्स तो जाएगा ही जाएगा, तो 300 हो गया. और 25 25 25 वो भी तो जाएगा ना, तो दैट इज 75. नाउ बोथ आर नेगेटिव चिल्ड्रन, सो वी विल ऐड देम. ठीक है. और आंसर आएगा 675 विथ नेगेटिव साइन, बिकॉज बोथ द नंबर्स आर नेगेटिव. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Till here we have done. Now simplify each of the following. Simplify है बेटा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. Simplify each of the following. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 से लेके 26, and then your this exercise will be over. So what we can do it in next class. Till here you can solve till question number 19. Today we have started from question number 12 to 19 we have started. I have picked some question, solve it through your own knowledge also, and then solve the rest of the question in your homework notebook. Okay, I hope these questions are clear to you. If not children, you have to replay this video. Till then children, take care.